Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off incognito mode into your Google Chrome in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So you can see over here in the Google Chrome, if you click on the right mouse button and if you click on new incognito window over here, you can see that the incognito window is not on into our Google Chrome. So if you now come over this three dot button over here and you can see that it is invisible over here, you can see. So how you're going to do it, first of all, you just need to come over your search icon over here and then you just need to search for registry editor. You can see after finding it, click on that, click yes for the permission. So here you can see we came over into HQ local machine. So open it, then click on the software, and then now we will come over this policies option over here and open it, and now we will going to create a new key. So we will going to name the key is Google, click enter, and then we will going to create another key and then we will going to name it as Chrome, click enter, and then in the Chrome section we will come over at the right side and going to create a new Dewar 32-bit value. So now we will going to name it Incognito Mode availability, and then we will going to click enter. After naming it, we will going to click on the right mouse button, go for modify, and we will going to give the value is 1 over here and then click OK. After that we will going to close it, and now we will go and going to restart the device. After the restart, you will get the incognito mode into disable. So this is how you can disable or you can turn off incognito mode into Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.